3 superpowers you get as a photographer. Disclaimer first, no one gets a camera and uses it the exact same way as someone else, and we all have different life experiences, and we're all on different parts of our photography journey. Keep in mind, this is a broad generalization that's actually okay. Number 1, you're instantly aware of lighting conditions, and this is almost without even thinking about it. You're gonna know when that sun is just too harsh in the sky, or when that green light that's in the wall from a place that's a cross between like a prison and a prison visiting center is gonna create horrible banding in your image. Several years ago was one of the most challenging shoots where I was trying to beat sunset all day long, and the next week I went into a job I didn't particularly like, and I missed all of that hustle, bustle, and headache of beating that sunset. It really is a unique thing that photographers can pull off. Number 2, you can slow down time. I don't just mean by taking a photo with the camera and freezing a moment, or doing 60 and 120p frames per second with a video camera and slowing down time. No, you, as your thought process, it really does slow down. You can anticipate when situations I already have an answer of where you should probably just go ahead and put your hands here, maybe throw your thumb on the top of the jeans like it's the 1990s, just anything like that. You can go ahead and predict and anticipate. Number 3, that anticipation and just overall having your shit together just leads to a better client, customer, or just better experience overall when doing photographs. And that matters because as an introvert, you can sometimes be a bit more of an extrovert than you actually are. So your social skills start to change within the context of doing photography. Think about this. The camera is like the ultimate icebreaker to any party that you may be going to. Some people might say people only want you to bring your camera, but that's another topic and another video altogether. Or you can just keep it office hours too and just be really open during that time of day when you want to speak with people. There's nothing wrong with either one of those approaches as long as you keep it all respectable and within reason. So, did you like the list? Let me know down in the comments below what superpower you get as a photographer. Head on over to YeagerShots for some channel, photo, video, and graphic design themed apparel. Yes, I said graphic design. I always leave that out, but it is there over at YeagerShots.com. Hit that like button whenever you see a video like this on the internet. It really does help every video out just about on every single platform. And subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.